Do you rely on referrals to get new clients? If so, that's great. But I have watched many a consultant struggle to get referrals and wonder what they're doing wrong. There could be several reasons why they're not getting referrals. All of the consultants I'm referring to have great experience and expertise, but experience and expertise alone does not result in somebody providing a referral. Now, let me ask you another question. Do you have a referral strategy? This video is not going to explain everything that goes into a referral strategy. If I did that, this video would be way too long. But it does provide 5 recommendations and ideas to help you get quality referrals that lead to clients. And you can use these recommendations to help you build your own referral strategy. Use this video in conjunction with an earlier video, which discusses 7 give, get, and grow guidelines. There is a link in the description area to the video, and you should see it up above someplace. Hi, I'm Laura Burford. I help independent consultants build successful consulting businesses by focusing on what matters, by doing less so that you get more. When you focus on what matters, what you're known for, who you serve, and how you help, you create better clients. You end up with consistent revenue and you get more time back for you. And that's what I help consultants do. Focus on what matters. Referrals matter. You want to do it right and not waste your time or time of other people. If you're curious about what I mean about focus on what matters, download the ultimate guide to building a successful consulting business. There's a link in the description area, or in the comment area, type in guide and I'll make sure it's sent your way. If you would like more consulting insights such as this, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified when the next video is available. If you like this video and find what I discuss here helpful, a thumbs up would be appreciated. People influence people. Nothing influences people more than a recommendation from a trusted friend. A trusted referral influences people more than the best broadcast message. Mark Zuckerberg. And he's right. Referrals matter. You want referrals from people who trust and believe in you, and you want them to introduce you to your ideal client so that they become your client. But here's the challenge. Many consultants have a hit or miss referral strategy. Hit or miss. The remainder of this video is about receiving referrals. But keep in mind, referrals are a two-way street. You receive referrals and you give referrals. When you have a hit or miss strategy, you might not get any referrals. You might get some referrals that are a great fit and others that leave you wondering, why in the world was this person referred to me? And that can be frustrating. It wastes time, and you don't want to waste time. Referrals can be a powerful way to grow your consulting business, but only if you have a clear and consistent approach. Here are 5 recommendations that you can use immediately to help you get referrals, and then use the recommendations to help you create your own referral strategy. If you already have a referral strategy, it is possible that one or more of these recommendations can help you enhance and strengthen your strategy. So here goes. Recommendation 1. Clearly articulate who is a good connection for you. Be able to explain your focus, the one thing for which you want to be known. Be able to explain what your ideal client looks like. The top 3 ideal client criteria is a great place to start. Explain what makes somebody a poor fit. Don't assume that even your closest colleagues, clients, and partners know who is a good fit for you and who you want to work with. You have to tell them to help them articulate who is a good connection, here are a couple things you can do. Start by writing two short statements. The first statement is a fit statement, 3 to 5 sentences about your ideal client. The second statement is a not a fit statement, 3 to 5 sentences about who isn't a good fit. Surprisingly, people often resonate more with the not a fit statement because it helps them screen out the wrong introductions before they happen. Recommendation 2: tap into your entire network and identify 4 to 5 key partners or people that might be key partners. This means evaluating your family and friends, past and current clients, colleagues, associates, fellow members, people that you've met at associations, or maybe you're on a nonprofit board. Don't overlook anyone. People you met through volunteer work, old jobs, or shared interests can be great connectors. As you evaluate, identify 4 to 5 people that could be key partners, people who regularly work with your ideal client, and then work to build a mutual relationship with them. You refer them, they refer you. A two-way street because referrals and a referral strategy is two-way. Create a one-pager that includes your focus and ideal client, your fit, not a fit statement, and the benefits and results clients get from working with you. Maybe, and I like doing this, provide a short testimonial or short story. And don't forget to provide the best way for them to introduce you. And you want to do the same thing with them. As I mentioned early on, this video is not about giving referrals, but this is one recommendation that I strongly recommend you think of as a two-way effort. Recommendation 3: change your mindset and get out of your comfort zone. Yes, asking for introductions can feel uncomfortable, but it's essential to ask. And when you ask, you're not being too pushy, you're being intentional. And if you want consistent revenues, you have to be willing to get out of your comfort zone and ask. You need to put your fear behind you. And here's the thing, and this is a mistake that many people make, and I've done it, and it's easy to do. Don't hesitate to ask your clients for referrals. Many times they don't think about providing referrals because they simply haven't thought about it. They're busy. They're busy doing their jobs. Yes, you will run into situations where people are not able to provide referrals. Maybe because they don't know anybody to refer, or maybe if they're working within a corporation, the corporation has a policy that prevents them from referring people to you. Recommendation 4: change your terminology. Ask for introductions, not referrals. You might have noticed that I've used both terms in this video, introductions and referrals, and I've done it intentionally. But here's what I've learned over the years. The word referral means different things to different people. One person thought I wanted a testimonial. Another person thought I was looking for a list of names. Still another told me they didn't like giving referrals, but they were open to providing an introduction. The term referral had a negative connotation for them. What I discovered is that when I said, I'm looking for an introduction, it was clearer and more approachable. People were more open to helping out. So consider this small language shift. Ask for introductions. It's softer, friendlier, and it's easier for people to act on. And now for the last recommendation. Number 5, be accountable. As you start implementing the recommendations, monitor what you're doing. What's working? What's not? What do you need to adjust? And take that a step further. Put some metrics in place. For some people, getting one referral a month is great because that fits with their focus and their ideal client, as well as their service offering. For other people, they're looking for one introduction a day, and that can be a lot, but that might be the right number for them. And as you expand the recommendations and start working on your own referral strategy, enhance how you're monitoring what you're doing. To recap, I provide 5 recommendations and some ideas to help you implement those recommendations. The 5 recommendations, the first one was clearly articulate who is a good connection for you, who's a fit, who's not a fit. The second one, tap into your entire network and identify 4 to 5 key partners or people that can become key partners, where you can work together mutually to refer your ideal client to one another. The third recommendation, be willing to ask, even when it is uncomfortable to ask. Ask people. The fourth, change your terminology. Start using the word introduction instead of referral. And the last one, hold yourself accountable and track what is working and what's not. One last thought. What I provided is not a referral strategy. What I provided were some recommendations that will help you obtain introductions to people that might become your ideal client. And these recommendations can be used as a starting point for creating your own referral strategy. Before I close, check out the other videos on the relationship playlist. A link to the playlist is in the description area. And if you want to know more about what I mean by focus on what matters, download the Ultimate Guide to Building a Successful Consulting Business. There is a link in the description area, or if you put guide in the comments section, I'll make sure you get it. Any questions about referrals, drop them in the comments. Or better yet, let me know which one of the recommendations you've tried and how it has worked out for you. Finally, if this video was helpful, click the like button. I would appreciate it. And subscribe to Consulting Insights for more insights like this. If you click on the bell, you'll be notified when the next video is available. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and take care. I look forward to seeing you on a future video.